What's up guys, today we've gone mobile to clean up this Jeep and it's a full exterior and interior detail, so stay tuned. At a quick glance from a distance, this might look like an ordinary Jeep Cherokee, but if you peek your head inside, you'll be greeted with all kinds of body shop debris, including white paint on this black interior. That alone makes this car a disaster to deal with, but it'll make some great extraction content. The exterior of this car was not too bad, although the wheels were in need of repair from the accident that gave this Jeep its salvage title. There was also some typical mud in all the cracks and crevices that we'll be sure to take care of. This is going to be an entertaining transformation, so be sure to stick around until the end. Let's get rolling. I'm starting off as usual by cleaning the wheels. My foam cannon is loaded up with some degreaser and soap, which helps reach each part of the fender liner and wheel before brushing them off. If you're interested in any of these products that I'm using in the videos, they can always be found in the description below. Taking a look at this engine bay, it's pretty clear it hasn't ever been washed, so we'll take care of that as well. As far as the outside of the car, I'll simply rinse the car off before using my detail brush and microfiber wash mitt to give the car a good wipe down. After I rinse that off, I'm going through and clay barring all the painted surfaces to remove contaminants before we apply our protective layer. If you haven't used a clay bar in the past, it basically just picks up little stubborn pieces of debris off your paint. Oftentimes you don't even know they're on the paint, but they'll prevent the sealant from working properly. To protect the paint, I'm trying out this Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Spray. This stuff is super easy to put on and will make the paint beat up really well, but it won't last more than a few weeks. If you're looking for a product to deliver long-term results, you'll want to go with the actual ceramic coating, which can last upwards of 4 years. I'm working with a company to test out their ceramic coating products, which I'll share in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I've already applied their product, and the amount of gloss it added to the paint is insane. For a quick detail, this Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Spray did the job. Moving on to the inside, I'll start by pulling out any large items. Then I'll pull out these dirty floor mats and use my vacuum, carpet solution, drill brush, pressure washer, and extractor to get them as clean as possible. The inside of this Jeep looks like it had a paint bomb that exploded in here. As you can see on this door panel, that's straight up white paint that won't wipe off using a degreaser. I busted out my magic eraser, which actually helps a lot. The plastic surfaces seem to clean up better than the leather ones. After finishing the panel off with a steamer, I'm surprised how well that paint came off. The inside of this car had an awful odor, and it came that way from the auction. I went ahead and extracted every fabric surface in the car to get it smelling a whole lot better. All things considered, this Jeep came out looking great, and we managed to save the owner some money for repairs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content coming soon. Thanks for watching.